When it comes to the safety of you, your family, and your property, you want to make sure you're in good hands in the event anything does happen to ensure you're as safe as possible. And not all home security systems are made alike. In this video, we break down the top 5 home security systems on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for the best DIY home security system or a system that's professionally installed and monitored around the clock, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which home security system will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, Vivint Smart Home. With Vivint Smart Home Security, your imagination sets the limits, so you can create a home security system that matches your exact needs, with killer customization options, high-end smart home integrations, and professional installation. From security cameras and sensors to smart thermostats and automatic door locks, Vivint has a variety of home security and automation devices like indoor and outdoor cameras, door, window, and motion sensors, and life safety protection like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, flood sensors, and even medical alert pendants. Vivint Home Security is one of just a few companies that provides a complimentary security consultation. A Vivint security technician conducts an assessment that identifies security risks and offers solutions. This takes place in tandem with your professional installation. The plus side is that you can add equipment you overlooked or eliminate extras you don't really need. There are also several different monitoring packages available that offer different price points. The Smart Hub serves as the touchscreen command center of your entire Vivint security system. Through it, you can control every connected device, and you'll also be able to watch camera feeds and speak through two-way audio. The Smart Hub is also where you arm and disarm the security system, or press a panic button to connect with the monitoring teams. The hub can sit on any flat surface or can be wall-mounted. And if you're a smart home nerd, you'll be excited to learn that Vivint works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can arm the security system, review security footage, and control your Philips Hue lights, Nest thermostat, or QuickSet Smart Lock, all using voice commands. Vivint definitely offers a lot of choice, and as a security system, its performance is quite outstanding, particularly the Outdoor Camera Pro, which helps makes it a very good choice. The entire system will nicely integrate into your existing smart home ecosystem, but the higher price point when you tally up all the modules, installation, and monthly monitoring may not suit everyone. Next up, SimpliSafe Home Security System, our pick for best DIY home security system. If you want to improve your home security without spending a bundle or signing a long-term contract, there's a lot to like about the versatile and easy-to-use DIY SimpliSafe Home Security System. Like the Vivint Smart Home Security System, the SimpliSafe system is modular, so it's flexible and easy to install. This 9-piece security kit includes a base station that features an integrated 95 decibel siren. You'll also get a keypad that will let you arm and disarm the system, 4 entry sensors that could be used to guard doors or windows, 2 motion sensors, and a SimpliCam to keep watch over any area of your home. The camera has an ultra-wide field of view and supports night vision, so you'll be able to monitor what's going on, be it day or night, from your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. Like the Vivint Smart Home system, you can add new modules as your security needs change. Add additional cameras, sensors, or even smart doorbells and locks, or monitor environmental conditions by adding smoke, temperature, or water detectors. And you can tie the entire system together by adding professional 24/7 monitoring that starts at $14.99 per month. If any sensor is triggered, you'll be contacted, and as a failsafe, if the monitoring station can't reach you or you don't provide them a predetermined safe word, they will dispatch the police to your home. But unlike the Vivint system, you're not obligated to use the monitoring service and can use the SimpliSafe system as a local alarm. If you're looking for a DIY security system that's easy to install, provides effective protection with or without monitoring, and comes at a very reasonable price point, the SimpliSafe Home Security System is the perfect choice for you. And if you do decide to include monitoring, you won't have to sign any contracts and can cancel at any time without any penalties. Next, the Ring Alarm Security Kit, our pick for best easy-to-use home security system. The Ring Alarm Security Kit is a 5-piece home security system that's easy to install on your own, offers affordable professional monitoring, and interacts with other Ring devices. This 5-piece kit comes with a base station, a keypad, a door/window sensor, a motion sensor, and a Z-Wave range extender. If you have a larger home, Ring offers larger kits that will offer greater coverage. The base station is the hub of the system. It has an LED ring and a speaker on top, a 105 decibel internal siren, and an internal battery that will keep the system going in the event of a power failure for up to 24 hours. When you arm and disarm the system, a voice tells you what mode you are in, and you'll hear a chime whenever a sensor is triggered. In addition to its standard buttons, the keypad has dedicated fire, police, and medical buttons that will sound the siren and send an alert to the professional monitoring service, if equipped, so that first responders can be dispatched. Monitoring starts at $14.99 per month. The system will work with all of your existing Ring devices and is also compatible with dozens of third-party devices, including Kwikset, Schlage, and Yale door locks. It also works with Alexa Guard, which listens for the sounds of a smoke alarm or breaking glass while you're away, and supports Alexa voice commands. However, it doesn't support IFTTT applets, nor does it work with Apple HomeKit or Google Assistant. If you're looking for a home security system that is both easy to install and use, the Ring Alarm Home Security System is an excellent choice, especially if you already have a few Ring devices in your home. The system can be installed in as little as 20 minutes and can be self-monitored, or you can have it professionally monitored by subscribing to the very affordable Ring Protect Plus plan. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next up, ADT Home Security Systems, our pick for best overall home security system. ADT is probably the most trusted name in home security. It's been around for over 100 years and offers professional monitoring through a network of multiple monitoring centers. That means someone is always watching your system, even when you're not. With your voice alone, you'll be able to arm and disarm the system through Alexa, as well as control any connected devices. And like the Vivint home security system, you'll have to go with ADT's monitoring as there is no self-monitoring option available. This means you'll have to accept a monitoring contract that you'll be locked into for a set term. The heart of the system is the digital touchscreen panel. It allows you to interact with the security system, arm or disarm it, or even put it in stay mode, which keeps select sensors activated while disarming others. This comes in handy when you might be watching TV upstairs, but want to keep the main floor protected. Remote sensors are monitored by the touchscreen panel and include wireless motion sensors. Some intruders will break in by smashing a window, and for those instances, there's a glass break sensor. From there, you could choose from contact sensors that will monitor doors and windows, smoke, CO2, and flood detectors, as well as indoor or outdoor cameras, or ADT's own video doorbell camera. Like the Ring Alarm Security Kit, the touchscreen panel provides dedicated touch buttons for police, fire, and an auxiliary button that can be configured to dispatch medical assistance. If you're looking for a customizable home security system that's professionally installed and monitored around the clock, an ADT home security system is a great choice, especially if you're not a DIY person. For those looking to save a little money and don't mind getting their hands dirty, you may want to go with a cheaper, more flexible option. Finally, Wyze Home Monitoring, our pick for best value home security system. When it comes to DIY home security systems, the Wyze Home Monitoring System gets a lot right. The core kit includes everything you need to build your own home security system at an unbeatable price point. The kit comes with a hub, a keypad, motion detector, 2 entry sensors, and 6 months of 24/7 professional monitoring. Setting the system up is as simple as following the instructions on the mobile app. You'll even get an estimate on how long it will take to complete the installation. Like the SimpliSafe and Ring Alarm DIY kits, you can easily add additional components, like a security camera, at any time. Just plug it in and point it at a QR code. The system will handle the rest. Overall, you should be finished with the setup in under an hour. The Wyze mobile app displays all the components connected to your system on the home page of the app, while the monitoring page indicates the system status. If you ultimately decide to add a camera, any recent footage will also be made available here. You'll also get a log of sensor activations, or if alarms have been activated or canceled. The mobile app also gives you access to your PIN code and safe word info, setting delays for entry and exits, and more. When an alarm condition occurs, you'll receive a text alert immediately and a call from the monitoring service. By providing your safe word, you acknowledge the alarm and can confirm the status of the situation. If you fail to respond, 911 will be dispatched to your home. If you're looking for the best value in a DIY home security system, the Wyze Home Monitoring System is the ideal choice for you. It's extremely easy to set up and use, and it's a breeze to add components to the system down the road. It also has one of the lowest monthly monitoring fees you'll find. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.